This is my second 2010 challenge today. I was here again. I was here last year. I'm back again this year for the second time. Supporting the MLT. The MLT, very strong supporter of that because I've seen firsthand the benefits that the MLT can provide our learners. A fantastic day, fantastic weather, and a great bunch of guys to do a lot of networking with as well.
Just delighted to be here. I had the invitation from Hugh Lewis, the MD of MPCT, and just happy to support. Really fantastic turnout, great fun as well, and a great location. So very worthwhile day.